Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the camera app, and as you can see on the third position we've got the timer option. Now it is obviously off, so our device is taking photos right after touching the shutter button. If you want to set the timer, just tap on this icon. And as you can see here, we've got 3 options to choose from. We can set either 2 seconds delay, 5 seconds or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. Simply tap on it. As you can see, the icon has changed. And let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, now let's check another option. Let's tap on the timer and let's tap on 5 seconds. Shutter button, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 5. Now let's turn off the timer. Just go back to the icon and tap on off. And as you can see, the camera just got back to its previous state, and now it is taking photos right after touching the shutter button. So that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.